Hello everyone, I'm gonna talk about business model of Nespresso. The company sells coffee in the espresso business. So let's look at the value proposition first. It is composed of two productions, the Nespresso machine and the pods. Nespresso has sold the machine to retail to households, which means they earn a one-time transactional sales from selling the machine. Most of the money goes to key partner, the machine manufacturer, who they work together with. Then for the Nespresso Post, they have a totally different distribution strategy. They only sell the pods through their own channels, start out the mail order and the call center. Then they build Nespresso.com, and today in the biggest city of the world you will find espresso store as well. This is interesting because the myth that they had a built distribution channels and case research in their model, because this is the first time the SLA owned company sells directly to household. Now, um, why do they use different distribution channels for the machine in the pod? Well, they use retail because it has the broadest reach possible, because they want to get machine into your household. Once you have it in your house, you are actually locked in, because you can only use Nespresso pods. Uh, that's so-called switching costs, which prevent you from going to another machine manufacturer, and they defend that throughout the patents that they have in the K researches, and some of those patents actually expired last year, which means they need to renew their business model to a certain extent. Now, once you have a machine and you are locked in, you are going to have to buy pods from Nespresso, which means they earn money from repetitive post sales. They create so-called researching revenues. They change an entire industry from moving in it from a transactional business to a repetitive business with recurring revenue. Now let's look at the left hand side of the business model concept to see what they need to have to do, what they plan to do on the right hand side. First of all, I need coffee, so they work together with coffee grower, and they try to source some of the best coffee in the world, which they put in the pots. And pots is something that manufacturers themselves. So production of the pots in the important case activity, and they have a production facility to the churn